Ring records serve as both a fun point of contention for fans of vehicles that go fast, and also a means of one-upmanship for automakers. If you produce a vehicle that most would consider quick or fast, then taking it to the ring to show what it can do is typically a top-tier achievement in that space. That also holds true for electric vehicles, and there's a new EV sedan king of the ring. The Porsche Taycan has reclaimed the throne. Nurburgring is a difficult place to put together a fast, clean lap. That's because you're not just trying to link a few corners over the course of 1.5 miles or 2 miles. No, the Nordschleife or North Loop portion of the Green Hell is comprised of more than 150 corners spread out across nearly 13 miles. So to get a run done in record time takes a hell of an effort, no matter what sort of vehicle you're driving. To do it all in a heavy electric vehicle is a tall ask, but that's what Porsche driver Lars Kern just did in a new version of the Taycan. This one looks to sit a bit lower while also wearing more aggressive aero, and whatever else Porsche has done to this car let Kern rip off a new record time of 7 minutes and 7.55 seconds. That brings the record down from the prior time of 7:25.231, which is a huge leap. The previous record was set with a Tesla Model S equipped with the automaker's optional track pack. That bit of kit features upgraded brakes, new wheels and tires, and a software upgrade as well. Tesla beat its own previous record time with that car, and that prior record of 7:30 beat a run of 7:42, which was set by a Porsche Taycan back in 2019. So Porsche and Tesla keep going back and forth in terms of record runs, but this latest run in the Taycan is an immense jump. It's just 2 seconds off the 7-minute, 5-second.298 record run set in a rematch Nevera, which holds the outright title for fastest production EVs. Low sevens in an electric sedan is a wild thing. So what does this mean for the production version of this Taycan? That's still to be determined, but it's clear that this version of the Taycan has a lot more going on when compared to the current top Taycan, which is the Turbo S. It seems like Porsche is ready to give us a GT or perhaps even an RS version. Whatever the case may be, Porsche is keeping quiet on the specifics for now, but it's a pretty great way to start the conversation by starting the year off with one hell of a drive from Lars Kern in what is clearly one hell of a car.